Hello everyone, welcome to part 37 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are continuing the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So this is the last part of the product filter, in which we are working on the dynamic product filters. So in the last part we have seen that we are able to show these filters dynamically, and here you can see we are able to show the fabric filter with quarter blister values, and we are able to show the sleeve filter with half sleeve value. Okay, so only those values of the filters, and those filters we are going to show that actually belongs to the products. Okay, if there are more filters that we are not going to show, because there are no products for that. Okay, we are simply going to add all the filters here. Okay, filters and their values here in the MongoDB. After that you can see that the filters will only come if we have updated those values from the admin panel. Like if I'm going to remove this one, like if I'm going to remove any of the filter values, if I will not give any filter values, then these one will not come here. Like I'm going to show you, like this blister value I'm going to remove. Okay, I'm going to show you, like I'm going to update the blister value from here. Here you can see it's giving the cotton. Okay, what I'm going to give, I'm going to give here the blister. I'm going to update it with the blister, so this cotton will be removed, because then no product with the cotton. Let's see, I'm going to modify it with the blister. So now the both products belong to the blister. Now I'm going to refresh it, and you can see in fabric there is just the blister is there, cotton is not there, because there are no products that belongs to the cotton. Okay, so I hope that is clear to you. Now I will make one of the product as the cotton once again. I'm going to modify one of the product with the cotton. I'm going to modify fabric as cotton, and now you can see the cotton will come up here as well. So these are totally dynamic. Okay, so here you can see the cotton has come up. Okay, so now now we are going to check, like if I will check this one, then only the cotton products must come. Here it is not coming, because this thing we have not done so far. So you can find out the video instructions under the video, you can follow those instructions, but the code, for the code you need to follow the complete video, or you can get the source code from me anytime by joining a member, by becoming a member, by paying the small fees. youtube.com stack developer. See, MongoDB is must. See, MySQL nowadays, see, you need to learn the new technology, new things. So learn MongoDB with Laravel. It is really helpful for the big projects. It's very fast, and many other uses. Okay, so you do learn something new. Okay, so that MongoDB is must, and you can always join as a member by paying a small fees and get this complete source code as well as the support. Okay, so now in the first step we are going to create one function, this filters type function in the product filter. Okay, so that we can use it there. So I'm going to just open the product filter here, and we modify this product filter, sorry, product filter, and I'm going to add another function here. Okay, so this function we are going to use in our listing function. Okay, so now we are going to modify the listing function, and here we are going to use the dynamic filters here in the listing function. Like after this price filter, we will add the dynamic filter condition, and here we have simply call this filter types, and from this filter types we have fetched that filter name. Filter names are the filter columns that we are using. These, like these like fabric, sleeve, all these are the filter names that we are required to fetch from this function. Okay, so we have fetched those, and now in the for each loop we are going to see, we have already shown these one, and now we have fetched there as well in the listing function. Okay, and after fetching those, now in the for each loop once again we have explored it, we are required its values. You can see the values are coming here once we have select this one, both cotton and blister, and both will get separated by the tilde. So we are going to use the export function. Okay, so that every filter will come separately, that we are going to update it in the query. Okay, here you can see we have modified the query as well. Okay, so that we can able to only show the those filters that we have checked. Okay, so we are going to see that whether it will work or not. I am going to refresh. I'm going to remove this one, and now see, we need to add this one at the top. First of all, model we need to add at the top here, product filter. And now we are going to see, like, if I will check here the cotton, and here you can see the only blue t-shirt belongs to the cotton, so that's why only the blue t-shirt is coming. Now I will check the blister as well. Now you can see the both the cotton t-shirt as well as the blister t-shirt are coming. Now if I will uncheck the cotton, and here you can see the only the blister t-shirt is now coming, that is the red t-shirt. And along with that, see half sleeve, there is the half sleeve product, so that's why it is just the half sleeves product it is showing. Here you can see the fabric is blister and sleeve is half. But if we will refresh this page, then it will not check that. Okay, and see, it is checking it. Okay, so I think we have already modified the code. Here we can see the for each loop, that code is updated or not. I'm going to open that filters.blade file, filter.blade file, and here we will go down and we'll see that we have already added the for each loop. So that, yeah, we have already added the for each loop. Here you can see we are already checking the filter that are currently opened. Okay, so we can use this one as well, like if you want to send the blister product, like if you want to send the cotton products. Okay, like I'm going to remove the blister, and these are the just the cotton t-shirts. You want to send the cotton t-shirt to your friend, you can simply send this URL, and the filter will automatically highlight. You can see the filter will automatically highlight, so your friend can simply check all the cotton t-shirt. Okay, so it is really helpful. Okay, so that thing we have already done. And finally we need to add the fabric in the pagination as well, so that we can loop through all the like there are thousands of cotton t-shirts, so that we can use the pagination for those thousands of products, so that only few products will come in one page, otherwise the page will not load fast. Okay, so here as well we are going to add this one fabric, and finally we are going to add it here as well. Okay, in the pagination. So this is the last step, and our filters are now complete, and now all the filters are dynamic. Okay, so in the next part we will start working on the detail page. Now this listing page is almost complete. You can see these are dynamic, these breadcrumbs are dynamic. Okay, these sort by filters are dynamic, products are coming dynamic, and all the filters are dynamic. Pagination is done. Okay, so finally the listing page is almost complete. We will start working on the detail page as well, and you can subscribe my another channel if you want to subscribe, youtube.com original hub. We are I'm sharing with the product reviews and many of the places, Indian places, that you can find really attractive, that I am making with my wife. Okay, so this is my another channel that you can subscribe, youtube.com/original hub. Okay, so, and you can also join this stack developer channel if you want to get the source code of the videos, and if you want to get the complete support, I will help you for that. You can simply join the channel by paying small fees and can get the complete source code of this Laravel e-commerce website with MongoDB. Okay, you will not find it easier, and this MongoDB website you will not find it, the complete e-commerce series, anywhere. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.